Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this stuffed meatloaf recipe. It is super juicy, absolutely delicious, and ridiculously easy. Let's jump right into this video. So here we are going to add some oil into a pan. Then we are going to saute our onions, garlic, ginger, bell pepper for about 1.5 minutes. Remove and set aside. Now we're going to add 2 medium potatoes in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Remove the skins and slice really thin. Add some oil and some seasoning, which I'll leave in the description box, and set aside. Now to prepare our meat, I am using straight up beef, guys. You can use mixed meat if that is your preference. Now for us to assemble this delicious juicy meatloaf, we are going to make some milk soaked bread in a bowl. Add some eggs here, some of our sauteed onion and garlic peppers. Mix this really well. Mix it well. Looks like that. Then we are going to pour into our mince. Mix that up. Use a fork or spatula. Please do not overwork your meat here. Then we're going to divide our meat loaf. Place half into the bottom of a loaf pan. Then layer your potatoes just like that. I did not show, but I did add some smoked Gouda, grated smoked Gouda here before I add the rest of the meatloaf to cover. All right. I used a fork because I wanted the top to be pretty. Then I went ahead and make my sauce. So here I'm combining some sweet babyray, some ketchup, some mustard, and of course my Gochuchang. Mix that together and place it over your meatloaf. Now if you do have your favorite meatloaf sauce you like to use, go right ahead. Bake for 50 minutes in a 350 degrees oven, and this is what it looks like. Dinner was clean, simple, and absolutely delicious. All right, so I hope you guys try this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys. Bye-bye.